what's going on? driverAJ here. As you can see, we're about to get stuck in traffic right now. So if you have nothing to do, you're just bored, you wanted to see what the X3M looks like in traffic, man, I got you, man. Make sure you hit the like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, man. You are the one that drives this channel. You guys are the one that are gonna you know, essentially help me make all this content, you know? So I do it for you guys, really. You know, yeah, man. If you guys are welcome to comment, welcome to shoot me a DM. Let me know how life is treating you guys, what the car scene you guys are from, you know, all that stuff, man. Let me know, man. I've been drinking one of these Red Bulls, bro. I know they're bad for you, bro, but it's just so good. It's like I can't stop. I stopped. I used to drink like 2 or 3 a day. I kind of stopped. This is nice. So the express lane is definitely worth it. The express lane is getting out of hand though. It's like $10 to use it from like two exits now out here in the Bay. Oh, CHP is definitely more involved here in the Bay Area. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I think the Hayward location officially like opened up, even though it's under construction. But they are hot, man. Like I've been seeing on Instagram and YouTube and TikTok, and I actually been seeing them. Like I've been seeing a lot of CHP, man. So if you guys are definitely into like the car scene and driving fast and all that stuff, man, just be careful, because like they're out there and they're going hard. They're not playing. I was on YouTube the other day, just, you know, editing my videos, and then I stopped for a second just to like see what's going on in the YouTube car scene, man. And I'm starting to see a lot of like police chases out here in the Bay Area, you know, like non-compliant drivers, and then just fleeing, you know. And CHP here is get like, they'll chase you, but if there's like traffic or something, they'll like back off. They'll just take it, you know what they do, they take your plates and then show up later at your house or the next day to get your car towed. And I recently found this out, that cars could have warrants now, which is a new thing in the Bay Area that I just, not the Bay Area, California. Like cars could have warrants. So let's just say your car was involved in any type of scene, right? Like whatever, burglary or fleeing from CHP or whatever, they could tag that plate, and essentially the car has a warrant, which means is once they find it, once they get a hold of it, wherever it is, you can have it parked in the street, you could be driving it, they can get it like impounded for 30 days, like no getting out of it. Like it has to be impounded for 30 days, and you'll rack up like, you know, something ridiculous like $3,000 or $4,000 in fees, because, you know, it was impounded, man. So just be careful, or think twice before you lend somebody your car, or, you know, whatever it is you do, man, because I'm telling you, they're cracking down hard on this on these drivers in California. I guess they're not having it anymore, you know, with all the sideshows and things going on in California. People are getting fed up of it. So just be careful, man. Let me know, man. I'm curious to know what you guys have done in the like the car scene, man. I'm not saying snitch on yourself, but like, just, you know, I mean, like a story, man. I'm always curious to, because I know there's a lot of that happens out here in the Bay Area, as far as like, you know, the car scene. The Hemi. I can't tell when those Hemis are Hemis anymore. Like if you know how, because a lot of people take off the badge. They all just look like Chargers now. I don't know if, oh, here's my destination. But also another thing, I don't know if I saw this right, but I think I saw a undercover unit in a 6'4" Hemi out here. Like, you know, the Scat Packs. So they're definitely beefing up, man. I'm telling you, I don't know if it's gonna get crazy over here or it'll calm down, man. But from the looks of it, I think it's just gonna get crazier and crazier right here, as far as like, you know, the police and CHP goes. So you guys be safe out there, man. And like I said, man, make sure you hit a like, make sure you hit a subscribe. I'm telling you, this channel is gonna be only up from here, man. I'm gonna get my hands on so many cars for you guys, it's gonna be ridiculous. All right, driver AJ signing out.